Hi, my name is Greg Matthews with Sierra Pacific Windows. Today we're going to go over how to replace an H3 Casement actuator. And you would generally change an H3 Casement actuator. If it got damaged in handling when you're installing the unit, in shipping, if it gets bent or broken, we can actually go in and replace it by this technique I'll be showing you. This is the actuator. I'm going to open it. And crank it open. Enough so I could get in and do my work. Just start by prying this loose with the pry bar. And then work the couplers out. Still cover. Now the side cover. And now I'll take a Phillips head screwdriver, number 2, loosen the actuator, and a lot of times you replace this if this gets bent or broken. Just twist that, and there's a T on the end, and that locks into the keyhole there, and that's basically what allows it to pivot. You put your new actuator in. With your Phillips head, go ahead and drive it in place. And again, a lot of times I like to use a hand screwdriver so you don't strip the threads. But if you're doing a lot of screws, you want to use either an impact or a drill. And then you put your side cover back on. And this is held in place with the spline on the back side of it. Use a dead blow hammer to help persuade it to go into place. Okay. And again, it has a spline on the bottom that locks into the curve. I didn't need to use a dead blow on that. Anyway, line up your curve and press it in place. And that's how you install a new actuator. Thank you for watching our video. And for additional information and resources, please visit our website.